Hi everyone, it's Baduga here. Well, I managed to fix a rogue board, the remastered F4 all-in-one. And last time I flagged the frog here, I crashed, my battery got ejected and ripped my battery wires. I start to have some desync problems with my Mamba, so I have to replace it for this one. I'm about to do a little hoover test, and if everything goes okay, I'm taking Frog to the field and do some flight with him. So let's hope everything goes alright, and stick with me please. Brown, call it! Well, everything seems to be fine, guys. No. This is only 3S, but Frog is too slow. Well guys, I'm back to beta, checking a few stuff there because I'm feeling my bird too slow, special on punch out, and I will put my 4S and take it to for a FPV flight. So catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching and bye.